Welcome to the altcoin season. Bitcoin broke again above our falling wedge or above our falling channel. So this is very bullish right now. Also, we see on the 4-hourly right now, the MACD, the green line crossed the red line, which is again very bullish. And we have some other big sign. And here comes some astrology. I know you love it, guys. So we have full moon again, and full moon, there's a probability of over 70 to 80% that we will see a pump to the upside, and our price target is very clear, is around 36k. So this is a long opportunity of around 20%. We are still in this bull flag, and as I told you, there is based on the history, if you believe in astrology or not, based on the history, there's a probability of 70 to 80% that we will see pump to 35,800 from this bull flag. By the way, we had yesterday some fake news that Gary Gensler is resigning, but it's not. This was AI generated fake news, as you see here, but still, in my opinion, there will come a moment when he will resign. Another thing, why 35k is the price target. We still have a CME gap open here at around between 35 and 36k. You see it above, but I have to be fair to mention that still there's also CME gap open around 21k. You see it here very clear. So if you are in a long position right now, if you are in a Bitcoin long position, I'm coming to altcoins in a second, just be careful. So our daily EMA, so the 20 moving average, you see it here if I'm open it, moved to a price target right now of 29,500. So what it means? It means we could still see some drop down to the level of around here 29,500, or even to a big volume zone at 28,200. So in case you are in a long position, set your stop loss, or I would set my stop loss below 28,000, or let's say even 27,900. It's still an amazing risk reward ratio if you open here the long position. If you're jumping even right now in a long position, and we set our price target at around 36k and set our stop loss below 27,000, below 28,000, we still have a risk reward of 2.1. We can set even our stop loss at around 37,800, so it still looks very bullish right now. What I want also to show you is the total crypto market cap, which looks absolutely highly bullish. This is one of the most crucial. You see it here, we had a fake out to the downside. We broke again above the crucial support line. So right now we saw a bounce on the support line to the upside, so it looks highly bullish. And we have also to watch the dollar, because the dollar, if we see pump in the dollar price, we see usually dump in the Bitcoin. If we see dump in the dollar price, we see usually pump in Bitcoin. And right now it looks also very bullish for Bitcoin and very bearish for the dollar price. I mean, the MACD crossed here, what I don't like. But on the RSI, we still have here a clear bearish divergence. You see the RSI is going up on the dollar, but the price is going down. So this is a clear bearish divergence on the dollar, which speaks for dump in the dollar price. And if the dollar dumps, then Bitcoin pump, especially in case we are breaking here the support line at 101.2. This would be highly bullish. We very often retested it, support. In case we are breaking the support, we will see that dollar is going down the toilet and Bitcoin will skyrocket to the upside. And why I'm speaking welcome to the altcoin season, by the way, let me quickly show you S&P 500, because S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin. If S&P 500 pumping, Bitcoin also pumping. And what I hope that we are not forming, or what I hope that we are forming here, cup and handle, which would be very bullish. If a cup and handle we are forming and we break out, we see S&P 500 running to the upside, and so does Bitcoin. But if we are forming here a double top, we will see S&P 500 going down, and also so will do Bitcoin. So just watch out for the S&P 500. We have to break this crucial resistance line at around 4,460, 4,450. As soon as we break to the upside, this will be very bullish. And now let's speak about the altcoins, because altcoins, fuck man, we're making so much profits. I'm so happy about it, bratans. We see here the Bitcoin dominance chart, which I always speaking about. Let me go even on the weekly here. And we had here massive resistance line, which was here, or resistance area, which was between 52% and between 53%. And we got perfectly here rejected right now. And what it speaks for that altcoins will outperform Bitcoin. You see it here. This is the second day where we are getting rejected and falling down, and it means we should see altcoins outperform Bitcoin. So we could see still Bitcoin running to 35k, but the altcoins will will with a high probability outperform Bitcoin, what is usually always happening. And what we see clearly also here on the Ethereum chart, Ethereum is looking very, very bullish. We broke about our massive extreme volume line. You see it here. This was at around 1935. I showed you not yesterday, I showed you 2 days ago already. I opened VRVP. You see it here very clear. We broke above this zone at 1935 to the upside. This is so bullish. The next big resistance coming at 2080. So I expecting here Ethereum to run to the upside. So this is a long opportunity of 6.2%. If you jumped the days before, you are already 3.6% in profits, but it's still an amazing risk reward long opportunity in my opinion. So even if we are jumping right now into a long position, wait a minute, opening here a long position. So even if we are jumping right now into a long and set our price target 2076 and set our stop loss slightly below the extreme volume zone at it's still 2.3, or even we can set even lower our stop loss at, let's say, to be safe, at 1857. It's 1.1 risk reward. It's not the best. So I mean, we could set our stop loss at 1958. So it would be 2.1, still an amazing risk reward ratio. Yeah, it looks amazing for Ethereum, and we are expecting even better that LDO is the staking protocol of Ethereum. That LDO, you see it, LDO also pumping, man. It's really easy to trade this ones, because if Ethereum pumping, LDO or LDO is pumping, because this is the leading Ethereum protocol where the most of people staking. If you jumped already here when I told you 2 days ago, you are right now already at 2.2% in profits, or even 5.6% in profits. It's still an amazing risk reward ratio. If you're jumping even right now into a long position and set your stop loss below here the lines of $1.56 and set our price target $3.20, you have a risk reward of 1.6, 1.7. Still an amazing risk reward in my opinion on LDO, which will outperform Ethereum because it has a much smaller market cap, and we are still in this double bottom. So it looks very, very bullish for LDO. So another long opportunity. Ave, this is a trade where I am right now in. It's an amazing, we have again an amazing long, or we could again go here long in case you are not in a long position right now. It's not a financial advice. Do your own research, please. I show you also only what I'm doing. Technical price tag $160, stop loss $25. We are still in this massive symmetrical triangle. It's getting tighter and tighter, and the more tighter it's getting, the more the breakout will be to the upside. So I'm expecting a huge, massive pump to the upside. So this is a long opportunity of over, I mean, this is crazy, 127%, 10x average 1270%. My position is right now $1,500 in a loss. I expecting here that we are going to $160. This would be profits around 50k. We see altcoin season is ongoing. Pepe is start to run like crazy, 15% in the last 24 hours. We bought Pepe when it was here days before in this dump. We bought Pepe at 9.3 approximately. So we made over 100% on Pepe already. I showed you in my Telegram group. Also, we bought here FXS we bought here at around not $4, we bought here at $5.20. We made also here around 30% already. Also, what we bought is FED. I showed you we bought at 18 cents. Here you see FED, for example, is it's an AGX it's an AI project, and also we see here a pump of AGX where we had here AGX. FED is outperforming right now, even AGX. We had here somewhere in Injective. We bought Injective here at $6 or $5.80 around. We made also like 50% on here. AGX we bought at around the price at around the level of $21, $22. Also here we made over 30%. And Phantom we bought also here down below, even I think at 27 or 28 cent. Amazing, bradans. It's still an amazing opportunity. You can use here the Bybit link if you want to go along on LDO, Ethereum, Bitcoin, whatever you want. You can use Bybit's $1,000 free long position, so you don't have even to use your money. Link is down below. Also, if you want to join the Telegram group, also here the link in the first pinned comment. It's still nice long opportunities right now, in my opinion, not financial advice. And also It's very clear. If we have very bad news like Binance going bankrupt or some FUD, then we could see another drop in the market to our CME gap at 220, at $21,000. Be careful with this, bratans. However, it's always about probabilities, not certainties. So this is the reason why we are in the crypto market, and this is the reason why we make money, bratans. Congratulations, I kiss you, and I see you later. Mwah.